Here is my new rain chain idea. Instead of having a downspout from the rain gutter. Okay, Steve, let her rip. He's over here pouring some rain down. Here it comes. That is just too cool. We're going to get a bag of white landscaping rocks to put in the black bucket at the end. Quite the downpour, Steve. My rain man. This is going to handle the rain that normally has been coming down on our steps. It handles all the rain off half of the roof on that side and part of the roof coming down on this side. So there's a large amount of water that's been coming down right on the steps. This will help divert it, especially in the winter time when it's icy. We'll put a regular downspout on there. But for spring, summer, and fall, we'll have the rain chain. Good job, Steve. Thanks.